this vinyl fence gate has a hole in it. The situation here in Breezy Point was the UPS delivery man came to drop off a package and he left the gate open. Then, you know, in Breezy Point, it's really windy. We're right on the water here. The wind caught the gate, slammed it shut, and it broke right here where the latch striker rod meets the latch receiver here. So I'm going to show you a quick repair. Now, a few weeks ago, we posted a video on how to repair this situation right here. And this customer in Breezy Point simply called the number on the screen right here. That's my direct line. She said she has the same exact situation, so I came out the very next day to get this repaired for her. The repair itself doesn't take too long, and if you guys are local in New York City, New Jersey, Westchester, Long Island, feel free to call me. I'll come and I'll do this repair for you. And here are the dogs. You see, this is why we had to get the gate fixed so quickly. All right, we can't let these dogs run free, right? Don't worry, we're gonna fix your gate. We're gonna fix your gate, don't worry. All right, so you'll see in this situation, the customer here just sent me a picture of the gate. I didn't know exactly how big the patch was, so I just brought a few different sizes just to make sure that we cover it. And wow, first time's the charm. You see this patch covers the hole perfectly. So I'm gonna simply take my patch and I wanna put it over the hole in the gate, and I wanna make sure I center the patch in the hole. That way the screws have adequate posts to grab onto, and it'll just result in the strongest gate patch. So I just put it over like this. Beautiful. And you'll see this hole disappears. I'm gonna put a few more screws in just to make it strong. Now whenever I do a repair like this, I make sure I use white screws just so it looks nice. You want the screws to blend in with the gate. I'm going to put two more on the inside as well. So as you'll see right here, this is the piece of the gate that broke off. When that gate slammed shut from the wind, it simply just took a chunk of that gate post completely off the gate along with the striker rod for the latch. So I'm going to take the striker rod off this little piece of plastic here, and I'm going to just mount it onto the gate patch there, so that way the gate can open and close again.
It's very hot, Alex.
Thank you so much.
I usually have a table and chairs over here. Huh?
It's so windy. Oh, thank you so much for this. I really appreciate it.
Very hot.
That's the best way to have it.
Now I know. Now I know that if I have any problems, I can call you anytime.
Absolutely.
My daughter said that she saw you on a YouTube video.
Really?
Because ChatGPT recommended it.
ChatGPT recommended it?
Yeah.
There you go. You see, AI knows what they're talking about.
Yeah. ChatGPT recommended you right away.
Well, hey, I appreciate you calling. Thank you very much.
Listen, my daughter said, Ma, here's the phone, call it. I said, you know, I said, I'm going to wait for tomorrow. She's like, no, call in and leave a message. And you see, immediately you call me back. I said to my daughter, if he called me back, he's a good man.
So yeah, like I said, if you call me at the number here, I'll try to get out to you same day, next day. In this case, the customer called me yesterday, and you know, I'm out here because, you know, with gates, you have to get them fixed right away, especially if you have pets. So you see here, I put the striker rod right back, just line it up with the latch. Go. We fixed the gate. We have the patch on, the latch is back in place. Now we want to prevent this from happening again in the future. And as you'll see, the handle that she currently has on the gate, it's just a handle. The handles that we put on, they are gate stop handles. So it's a handle that also doubles as a nice cushiony gate stop. And yes, I just said cushiony. I don't know if that's a word, but we're gonna use it today. So what's great about these handles is that you get two really important functions out of them. It's a nice, sleek, modern looking handle that you can easily grip to open and close the gate, but you also have this nice padded gate stop, this nice padded rubber gate stop right here. And the reason that's important is in a situation like this, when the UPS delivery man leaves the gate open and the wind catches it, slams it shut, this nice rubber padding will absorb the shock and make it less likely that the latch here breaks off again. See, we'll have to take this one off in order to get it on, no big deal. So I'm just gonna So I'm simply going to take my screws, which come in the package. So now you'll see this gate is completely fixed. We patched up the hole, put the striker rod for the latch back on, and then for preventative purposes, we added the gate stop handle right here, which not only will serve a functional purpose in preventing this from happening, but it also happens to look really nice. If you are local, like I said before, Long Island, New York City, Westchester, New Jersey, and you need us to come repair this gate for you, just text or call me. Like I said, I try to get out there same day, next day, because I know how urgent these gate repairs can be when you have pets or children or a pool in the backyard. Gate repairs are urgent, and we try to get them done as quick as possible. So text or call me. Then if you are anywhere else in the country and just want to have this stuff sent to you, you can contact me and we can send you these patches, we can send you gate hardware, and we can send you these gate stop handles as well. We ship nationwide, so just contact me and we'll take care of you. If you found this video helpful, I'd recommend checking this video out next. We show the same repair, we just show it in a bit more depth here. We'll actually show you making the patch and show you our process a little bit more slowly if you are looking to do this yourself. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.